Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on how you can quickly find out if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. The first thing to check is your contact list. Try to find the suspect person in your contacts list. If you find them, then they definitely have not blocked you. If they are not there, then this means you are no longer contacts and should continue with the next steps. The next step you should take is by going to the Add Friends section and searching for their username. If you find their username, it means that they have removed you as a contact but have not blocked you. If their username doesn't show up and you are sure that you have entered it correctly, then they have likely blocked you. Either that or they have deleted their account. To find out for sure, you now need to test it from a different account. Get a friend to search for the username too, and if it appears for them but not for you, then I'm sorry to inform you that you have indeed been blocked by this person. And that draws an end to this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more Snapchat tips and tricks in the future.